Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a payment method onto your Weebly website, store, whatever you want to call it. So let's get right into it. Now currently, as you can see, I'm in the editor and I'm just going to quit out of it just for a second because this is going to be done outside of the editor. We need to be on our dashboard for this to be set up. So what we're going to do is once we're on our dashboard, go down into settings, and then we're going to go into checkout. And as you'll see, currently, at least in my region, the options I have are Stripe and PayPal. And as you can see, I can connect Stripe. PayPal does require an upgraded account or a premium account to be used. However, if I click here to connect it to Stripe, as you'll see, I need to select an option for location. Stripe is location dependent, so as you can see, you can create or use an already existing Stripe account. And let's say, for example, I already have one. Click connect. It's going to open up a new pop-up window where it's going to ask me to connect to Stripe or log into my Stripe account. Now, I myself do not have a Stripe account because Stripe is not available in my region, but all I would have to do is just log into my account and then accept the permissions or give Weebly the permissions to access my Stripe account. And then once that's done, your Stripe should be connected. Same goes for PayPal. And once that's connected, people will be able to use these payment methods to pay for products from your site. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.